everybody. I have another shoebox here, so welcome back. Thanks for watching. This is a green box, green theme. I printed this. I meant to print it small and it printed really big, so I just put it on the top, and I know it's going to get taped over, but it's a frog. So when he opens up his box, he's going to see this. Everything's green. So this is his little stuffy. It's a cute little bunny with a hoodie. A little soft like velvet pants. Thought he was cute. This is a 5 to 9 boy. This is a pop-out frisbee. This is like a water frisbee. It's really squishy. He has a little beanbag Ninja Turtle. He has a flashlight. He has a little man and a little green bat. A motorcycle. He has this necklace kit. It's like a green wave. I think it's from Moana, but it's just a wave and it has twine and beads. So you might like to do that. This is a little flyer. You rub your hands together and it flies up in the air. He has a little green Jeep. That's kind of why I printed the green Jeep on his box there, because it kind of matches his little green Hot Wheels. And an alligator with sunglasses and shoes because it's green. He has a couple of more figures, a dinosaur and a little green monster. There's lots of stuff stuffed in here. There's another Hot Wheels and a frog and its eyes pop out. Keychain. He has some soaps. He has a blower, party horn. He has a pair of sunglasses. These are like a free promotional pair I had. And a green spider. He has a green water bottle, and I've got a dinosaur stuck there, and a green Buzz Lightyear chapstick. This water bottle, the lid is very small, but I'll still manage to stuff things in there, and I'm not going to try to get it all out. But he has a green washcloth. There's several green rope bracelets in there. There is a marker, a green flute, a necklace, some green bands. There's some green dinosaurs in there. There's some bouncy balls, and there's some long green shoestrings. And I think that's all that's in there. It'll all come out, but I'm not going to do it right now. He has these nice green Crocs like shoes. They're Ninja Turtles. I got these at Dollar General for 25 cents. And I thought they were really cute. So they're real good quality. And they're stuffed full. There's a slinky and a kaleidoscope. A maraca. A top. He has a jump rope. A green calculator. It's not a solar calculator, but I think it'll be okay. There's a pen. There's a headband there. Calculator batteries work a really long time. This is the only one I have that's not solar, but it's green and it matched, so I put it in. He has some socks. A clapper. The other maraca. A lizard, a green whistle, it's an airplane, and a marker and a green toothbrush, the cap. He has this little green box. And inside he has stickers, a carabiner, extra batteries, a little popper, band-aids, erasers, rubber bands, and I put that sticker on there so you can use that to keep his things in. Here's a green ball. This is a bouncy ball. And this is a dinosaur, and he folds out to make a T-Rex, so I thought that was kind of cool. You unfold him, and then you have a dinosaur. He has some colored pencils and a green pen. He has green nail clippers. He has another little car, a necklace with a "Oh come let us adore him," and another green dinosaur. He has a bracelet that lights up. A green pencil sharpener. And this is a little car, and it folds up into a ball. I thought that was neat. Here's a green party horn. It makes a very annoying sound. He will love it. Parents, not so much probably. This is like a carabiner clip and a ring. He has a pair of scissors, another ring, an eraser. This is a Rats card game. It's kind of like Uno. It has just different pictures on it. It's like a matching card game. It's simple. He has a necklace, polar bear necklace. He has some more pencils and pens, markers. He has this keychain I found. I think this is from Bible school. It says, "He is the way, walk in it." Isaiah 30:21. Clip. Here's a game of Chinese checkers. I left it in the package because the directions are on the back. He has this plain green t-shirt. It's a youth large. He has this little coloring book, stickers, and it has crayons in it, but I also put another set of crayons because this was just empty, so there's a whole pack of crayons in there. This is a little dinosaur you fold and put it on your finger. A notepad. He has a green ruler and a green comb. A mechanical pencil. He has some activity books. A green pencil pouch. He has this monster paddle ball. It has a monster on each side. He has a green notebook for school. A bunch of stickers. Sports, dinosaurs, Batman. He has an adult coloring book, Places, and it has like different buildings from around the world. I thought they'd be cute for a boy. And there's some more rubber bands, pencil tops, erasers, and this is like a tie-dye color pencil. So that is my green, very green box. Hope he enjoys it. I like the orange box that I made in the green box. So that's my 2 color boxes for this year. I have one going for next year for a little girl. I have a yellow chick box going, so I I think it's kind of fun when everything matches. Thanks for watching.